When we're making websites, we're going to use tables to organize the content of our page. So it will help us to arrange our navbar, text, images, etc. So the next task is to insert that table and to edit it so that it fits our needs. So we've got a table here. We need to put in 3 rows and 2 columns. And we need to merge the cells in the very first and very last row so that we've got a header and a footer. To do that, we're going to go to insert and we're going to find table. You're going to type in the number of rows and columns you wanted, so in this case it was 3 rows and it was 2 columns. Now the table width, if you know the width of your navbar, you can go ahead and type that in there. So in this instance the navbar is 1024 pixels. If you're not sure, then make this smaller than you know your navbar is. So for example, if I made this 200 pixels, I know for a fact that that will be smaller than my navbar, which means that when I put my navbar in later, that table will stretch to fit the navbar. What you don't want to do is have it bigger, because then you'll have gaps at either side. We then want to set border thickness, cell padding and cell spacing all to 0 and press OK. So there's the table. We've got here, look, 6 cells, and what we want to do is merge these top 2 and these bottom 2. To do that, we're going to click in to one of the cells and the top and drag across so that we've got them both selected. From there, we can go down to our properties bar at the bottom of the page and we have the option to merge the selected cells here. If we click on that, you'll see that makes it into one long cell, and we can repeat the process at the bottom. Now I'm going to show you another way that you can do this. You can highlight them and you can right click and go to table, and you'll see there are lots of options in here for the table. One of those you've got is to merge the cells, but you've also got things like inserting and deleting rows and columns. So we merge the cells, and then we've got that ready for our header, where our navbar goes, and our footer, where our links at the bottom of the page go.